Hi there. I just want to talk a little bit about the raw food diet. So the raw vegan diet is excellent when you have minerals in the diet. So that means you need the omega-3s like the omegas, the avocados, the avocado oil, the olive oil raw virgin in the salads, in the vegetables. So a low-fat diet will never be successful in my experience because you need the absorption of the soluble vitamins in fat. That means in lipids that are in the vegetables. So that means that a salad needs virgin olive oil or sesame seed virgin oil or avocados for the root vegetables and the vegetables to be absorbed into your body. So that's very important. That's why some vegans are more successful than some fruitarians because they eat avocados, they eat olive oil, they eat salads. So I want to just say that salads are very important, and vegetable juices in maybe in cacao or in olive oil and cayenne or vinegar, like the spices, the minerals are the most important in the raw food diet, because you can have smoothies, protein smoothies or fruit smoothies with vegan protein, but we need the minerals, the minerals from the proteins, from the seeds, from the salts, from the little minerals that are in the earth, in the dense foods. So food density is the most important. So that's why we have variety in our diet. We need variety. We need the cactus juice, we need the superfoods, we need the salts, we need the raw oils, so the smoothies, and that's the successful diet. Because otherwise you limit yourself and you think that you are vegan or raw vegan, but you are lacking the density of the food. And you want density of the food with the raw vegan diet. And if you are vegetarian, you can eat maybe some egg yolks if they are organic and the chickens are treated well, and maybe some raw milk. But that's for a more advanced world and more natural world. I experienced with raw dairy, but the dairy is not particularly perfect. But you can survive on also some raw dairy, some raw dairy. But I choose to be raw vegan for the moment because it's more safe for where I am at. But I say the raw vegan, raw vegetarian diet is excellent for the human body. We don't are only vegans; we are also vegetarians as a society. But we need to treat well the animals. So the animals need to be treated well, and we need to protect the animals, protect animal lives, the spirituality of the world, the spirit of nature. So that means raw food for the win.